little bit modification, or you can say a variation in a problem where we can apply a nodal analysis. So let's take a problem. So consider a problem having a voltage source of 4 volt and a current source of 2 ampere, and I'm having resistances 2 ohm, this is also 2 ohm, 3 ohm and 1 ohm. Objective is get a current flowing through 3 ohm resistance using nodal analysis. So first step is to identify how many nodes are there. So obviously this will be a node because 1, 2, 3 branches are connected. I mark voltage of this node as VA. Second node, 1, 2, 3 branches are connected. So I can say node B whose potential is VB. Third point, 1, 2, 3 branches are connected. Potential is VC of node C. And obviously this will be our fourth node, which I can consider a reference having the voltage 0. Now see properly the network. Between point A, or I could say node A, and a reference node, only voltage source is present. I repeat, how the circuit is different than that of earlier circuits is between a node and a reference node I am having only voltage source present, meaning this voltage source will decide node voltage of this node. So I can directly say VA equal to 4. This will be equation number 1. So do not consider this as a variable. Consider this as equation. I will tell you why whenever we will solve this numerical completely. So right now I get VA equal to 4, equation 1 directly, where coefficient of VA is 1, coefficient of VB is 0, and coefficient of VC is also 0, and constant is 4. So once you have written VA equal to 4, no need to apply KCL to this node because already node voltage is known. Now let's apply KCL to node B, but before that let's mark all branch currents. So I have randomly selected, and because of the current source it will be incoming for node C. So let's apply KCL to node B, where one incoming current and two outgoing currents. So let's write the equation for this incoming current. VA minus VB divided by 2 equal to outgoing currents VB minus 0 divided by 2 plus VB minus VC divided by 3. As I said earlier, do not substitute VA equal to 4 volt over here. So I will consider this as an equation where VA having a coefficient 1 by 2, VB minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 3, and if I take VC this side, VC 1 by 3 equal to 0, equation number 2. Similarly, I can apply KCL to node C. So at node C, coincidentally, all the 3 branch currents are incoming. So this may happen, but still no need to worry. So first incoming current is 2 ampere as it is. Second incoming current, we have already written equation for this. VB minus VC divided by 3, and third current started at A ending on C. Resistance is 1 ohm and no outgoing current present over here, so equal to 0. Let's simplify the equation. So I will get VA plus VB, coefficient is 1 by 3, plus VC, coefficient is minus 1 by 3, minus 1, equal to, I will take constant to other side of equation, so it will become minus 2. Equation number 3. Now if I solve equations 1, 2 and 3, I should get VA same as the voltage source given, which is 4 volt. So what is the advantage of not considering VA as a variable is whenever you solve these three equations, automatically VA should be equal to 4 volt. But in case you are not getting VA same as a 4 volt, some other different answer, then we have definitely made some mistake in writing the equation. So for a verification purpose, it is very important, instead of considering VA as a variable, consider that as an equation, so that VA equal to 4 volt if you are getting, that means whatever method or whatever equations you have written are correct. So you will get a value of VB as 2.8 volt and VC 5.2 volt. Our objective is to get current flowing through 3 ohm resistance. So this current was equation VB minus VC divided by 3. So current flowing through 3 ohm resistance is VB minus VC divided by 3. So I substitute, so I will get 2.8 minus 5.2 divided by 3, which ultimately give you minus 2.4 divided by 3. So final answer you will get as minus 0.8 ampere. Minus means whatever direction we have assumed need to be reversed. So I can say current flowing through 3 ohm is 0.8 ampere and the direction need to be reversed. So this will be the final answer. So here we have seen a concept. Whenever a voltage source, I repeat, only voltage source is present between a node and a reference node, then potential of that particular node is already fixed. No need to apply KCL to that particular node. In subsequent videos, we will solve numericals based on this concept. Thank you.